Hi, I'm Maxim, this is Erica. Today we led the CDM working group and ETL working group on the OHDSI Europe Symposium. The CDM working group discusses the OMOP data standards and updates to the OMOP CDM, as well as conventions in converting your data to the OMOP CDM.
Yeah, so today we didn't know who we were going to get in our room, and we did have a mixed bag of people who joined the discussion today. So what we decided to do from a working group perspective was figure out what were some key topics that people wanted to discuss. So we went around the room and got some ideas, and we ended up discussing a little bit about observation periods. That was a hot topic for a lot of people who joined us in the room. We did have some new individuals who joined us, and they were newer to the ETL process, and so we talked a little bit about the ETL process and some things that people in the group had learned about. But we also talked about some conventions and discussed kind of the old Themis group and how that kind of has informed conventions moving forward and what it should like moving forward. But it was a really good discussion, and I felt bad that we had to end it at the end of the day.
Yeah, it was great interaction. All 2 hours and 2.5 hours even, and time went just too fast, I'm afraid. And had some great discussions and people helping each other as well with the challenges they faced. And actually a lot of Eden data partners were also in the room that are currently in the process of converting data or actually already finished. So it was great to see that they reached out, asked for help, but also helped each other and posed their own challenges during the meeting.
Yep, and it was great to finally be back together.
Certainly, yeah. It's been a very wonderful symposium, I think, again. Yeah.